Struggling with cough and chest congestion? Here's a simple natural remedy that can clear your lungs and stop your cough in just 3 days. Just chop half a white onion into small pieces and place it in an airtight container. Then pour enough honey to cover the onion. This powerful combo works like magic. Onion boosts circulation in the lungs and breaks down chest congestion, while honey soothes your throat, reduces inflammation, and helps loosen stubborn mucus. Take 1 tablespoon of this mixture every night before bed, and you'll notice easier breathing and less coughing almost immediately.